Poarta voi, Jurnal Capitană 402.135.7.317.1326.
Good morning, people. It's 2:42. I've been awake probably for about half an hour, but it's hard to get up. Always the first trip is a little bit slower until I get up to speed. And today we have a hard day ahead of us, lots of snow everywhere. At least that was the forecast. Maybe I get lucky. Let's go. Happy New Year! Rugăciune la începerea lucrurilor. Rugăciunea de marți. Doamne Dumnezeul meu, Hello people, this is the second part of the day. It's a little bit chilly, a cool -2 Celsius, at least that's what the phone is saying. So yeah, not a good run today. Just half an hour and some sort of strides, and then back to the truck. Bro, it's chill. One thing to stay outside for 5 minutes, or another thing to run. But we have to do it because we're fat as fuck. Hope this makes it to the vlog. So I finished my run. It was good, a little bit hard but good. But during the run, because I don't wear any headphones or stuff like that when I run, I'm old school, I don't like to run with headphones or something. I just don't like it. I have a lot of time to think, and that was the time when I was thinking, yo, maybe I did a bad job today. Not only when I arrived in Kamloops, the road seemed fine, but I checked the cameras and it was snowing on Coquihalla, so I think it was a good decision to take the canyon. But I'm like doubting myself about the decision to leave at 3, because if I left at 2 or 1 in the morning, I had enough time to pass until the closure. So I kind of feel bad a little bit, because maybe I should have taken a better decision. And I don't know, but yesterday I found out, so yesterday I did prepare my luggage and everything. because I knew the trailer was supposed to be ready yesterday. I got notified, I don't know, 4 or 5 p.m. and by 8 p.m. as I was at the truck. But I didn't sleep all day, so I didn't want, and I saw that already there's snow in Revelstoke and everything. I said, well, again, it was not a rush, because I could have left at 7, 8 p.m. But I said, hey, I'm gonna sleep 6 hours and we're gonna be good, like 8.5 to 2.5 or something. So maybe I should have left earlier and passed Revelstoke Golden, and now I would have been in Calgary. But I don't know. I think that's this is a proper what do you call it? An opportune time to say it is what it is. It's getting crowded at this Flying J, so already there are like 5-6 people ahead of me for the shower, so I have to wait a little bit. I am convinced that I'm gonna start tomorrow morning around 3 a.m., 2, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I'll see how the highways are looking, drive BC and stuff like that. Yeah, that's about it for today, no? Did a good run today, took some great pictures, and yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I present to you Bob Jr. I have that pine cone on the back of the truck on the catwalk for, I think, a good several months, at least 2 months. So I'll be keeping an eye on him to see if he's gone or not. Bob Jr., I hope you stay the winter, and then in spring I promise that I'll put you at where should I put you? Well, when I go to Edmonton, at that mountain that I usually run, which I forgot the name. Yes, Bob Jr.? Okay, good job. As I was editing the video for today, I got a call that I need to go to Edmonton ASAP. So the exact thing that I suggested to go to Edmonton, sometimes it be like that. So now I'm gonna start the stream in, I don't know, next 10 minutes. It's 7 p.m. I haven't slept at all because I was preparing to go to sleep after I edited the video, and we have to fly to Edmonton. I looked at the cameras, we have decent weather, we have some bad spots. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, great, I think. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. See you on the live stream. And hopefully tomorrow I have time to edit both videos for the vlog. Now I can see why you guys say that I have good lights. When I look at the video, yeah, they're bright, but they're not like long distance. And you have to remember that the phone camera sees better than the eyes, especially in fog or in the night and stuff like that. So that's why it always seems that they're a lot better than at least what I am expecting for good lights to be. They are bright enough, as I said multiple times. They light up the road. Maybe I need a bit more floodlight on the left and right. But the most important thing that I will always say is bigger distance. I don't know if I have 200 meters here, honestly. Maybe, but well, now I don't have nothing. But yeah, even like this after full darkness, and this is not long enough, even on this video. Anyway, I understand your perspective now. Good morning. We just passed Hinton. We have 3 hours left, and took another sip of black, the darkest coffee, and the trip went better than expected. I don't feel any sleep, I don't feel tired, so we should make it to Edmonton. the road is okay, which it seems it is. And yeah, see you in Edmonton at Flying J. Maybe we do some truck spotting or something to end of the 30-hour day. Stream is over. It's 6 a.m. I'm not sleepy, but I did use a lot of a huge amount of concentration on that snowy part to have a decent average. Again, we did Kamloops to Edmonton. If I was left with 4 hours and 20 from 13, so 8 hours and 40, I think that's a good average, taking in consideration the circumstances. Yeah. And my ETA was correct, because I told the dispatch, hey, 5-ish I should be there if there's no stoppage or anything. So yeah, but here I'm a little bit tired, but sleepy I'm not sleepy. Like, I drank so much coffee, like it's almost done. Maybe a little bit on the bottom end, but plus a big monster. Sometimes it be like this, trucker's life, right? But I did enjoy the road. Like it was a little bit of a challenge to keep up the speed, and I did a few brake tests to see the grip. Like, if you watch the stream at Mount Robson up the hill, I was making left and right to see how much the tires will dig into that snow. And then after after Blue River I did a brake test, and then after Valemount I did another brake test, and then before Hinton I did another brake test, and when I was following that guy, when I catched up with him, I did another brake test to see if the ABS kicks in and stuff like that, and it didn't kick in. Like, one time it did kick in. So again, if you watch the stream, when the flat white was coming on, I was going into the middle of the road in the snow, because that flat white is like the frozen snow, the ice. But it was good. I enjoyed it. Hopefully until Nipigon and so we have a smooth sailing. And if you have good weather, who knows, maybe we take 17. And maybe, who knows, today I have time to edit this video for you guys to see it. Again, this is the final thing. I know I talk too much and I'm sorry, but the fact that there were 100 people watching me at, I don't know, 1 a.m. I understand that for a few it was like day because they're in Europe, but other people, brothers, that's not okay. Again, I'm the retard talking, because if I would have been at home, I'm the one that will play sim racing until 4 a.m. in the morning. So I know that I'm big hypocrite. I'm a hypocrite right now. But just watching me drive, again, I cannot put myself in your shoes to understand why. So this frustrates me, is not a good word. But again, I insist, I don't want you to have regrets that, oh my god, I wasted so much time on this dumb trucker. Kind of that's my fear. For you to not have regrets with whatever this is. Anyway, I'm tired. Mentally. A little bit. I really wanted, like when I finished the delivery, it's like 4 hours and 20, and then if we use a little bit of help and the highway is good, we can reach Saskatoon, and we can like, that would have been fire. But dreams. That's it. See you Thursday or whenever. Bye. Rugăciuni după săvârșirea lucrului. Doamne Iisus Hristoase, Cel ce ești împlinirea tuturor bunătăților, ție-ți mulțumesc pentru ajutor și pentru ce mi-ai dat lucrurile mele.